This video is going to show you how to set a pending order on MetaTrader 4 in the simplest way possible. There are two different types and I'll show you how to go about setting them, and I'll outline what they are. To set a pending order means going the same way we'd set an ordinary live order. If you don't know how to set a regular order, then you should probably watch our Basics of MetaTrader 4 video first. So here on the screen you can choose your instrument. Left click and click on New Order. You can see the Buy and Sell tabs. If you click on either of those, you will place a regular order in the market immediately, an instant execution order. But if you want to set a buy stop or a sell stop or a buy limit or sell limit, you have to place a pending order. To place a pending order, simply go to the Type drop-down menu and change from Instant Execution to Pending Order. You can see some new options here. The volume and stop loss and take profit options are the same as Instant Execution. However, with Pending Order, you have a drop-down Type menu and you have four options: Buy Limit, Sell Limit, Buy Stop and Sell Stop. A buy stop and a sell stop are what you would usually use to trade a breakout. So to go to our example, if we are looking at this instrument, the Australian dollar US dollar currency pair, and we think it's going to come and break back above this level and continue higher, we would put a buy stop above this level. So we would enter the level into the at price field here. On the other hand, if we think it's going to continue going down and you want to sell somewhere underneath this trend line, you would put a sell stop instead. So buy stops and sell stops are used for breakouts, as I outlined. A buy limit or a sell limit would be something to use to take advantage of a dip. Let's say you believe that the Aussie USD is about to decline down to somewhere around this level, and you can see previous support, which stops the pair going further down. This suggests that it might bounce back up. If you want to buy at this lower level, but it hasn't gone down there yet, you could place a buy limit around this price. When the market goes down to that price, it will automatically buy at the limit you place. You do this by going to New Order and putting the price in. The market is currently at 0.72114. So let's put an order in for 0.72046. So we can put in our stop loss at, say, 0.71917, and our take profit could be 0.72200. Then we place the order. We can see the order now at the bottom of the screen. This is a pending order though, so it means you can right click it and change your order by clicking Modify or Delete. You can change your stop loss or take profit and then modify it. Or you can just go ahead and delete the order if you change your mind about it. So I hope you found this video useful. Please join us at Fortrade again soon.